Hello YouTube, this is the second take because that's already opened. Made a little mistake with the first video. I bought this new polishing grinder. I'd like to use it as shaping edges and stuff for my granite, and being a battery machine, I can take it with me on graveyards and wherever I go in the truck. And it has a dial. It's an Excenter grinder. You can see that, the eccentric action. I go full speed now, and I dial up. It has the standard DeWalt. This was not included. Was just a machine. A very cheap, cheesy plastic handle, which I really don't like. I much more prefer the plastic or rubberized lined ones, and the manual. So that's it. And plastic wrap. So. Thank you for the over 100 subscribers by now, and keep liking the videos, keep subscribing, tell your friends, and thank you very much. Until next time.